Influent by Amada. Influent by Amada is a cutting-edge industrial IoT solution. It collects data from your entire shop, giving you visibility into what's happening on your floor and revealing the problems that affect your bottom line. Data is only as useful as it is accurate. How accurate is your data? ERP systems are often complicated and many clients say they're prone to operator error. Machine monitoring systems collect states that aren't connected to the jobs they're running. Influent brings together these separate streams of data, forming a complete picture. Every shop is different, and we tailor the solutions to your operation, providing critical insights that give you the competitive edge. A customer calls in a hot job. The sales clerk immediately checks the available capacity using the Manage app and confirms the expedited shipping date. With Influent Enterprise integration and your ERP system working together, your order systems are in full synchronization with your production systems. When an order is released from the ERP, your production systems will be notified as well. Influent provides visibility of the entire production process, from blanking and bending to welding and other processes. After receiving the hot job, the laser machine operator begins tracking his setup using the Measure app's easy-to-use interface. Analyze app provides real-time updates throughout production, as work progress and machine status are immediately available to the shop floor manager. The operator is now ready to load material and get the job going. After completing the setup, the operator can start cutting the first piece for first article inspection. At the machine controller, the operator begins cutting the first article part. When it's finished, he enters the completed quantity into the system. After the first article is cut, the operator then tracks how long it takes to inspect the part on a FabraVision laser inspection machine. The blank operator completes the first article process and can proceed with the rest of the run. Each process of every job is being measured and analyzed through Influent's advanced analytics engine. This offers real-time views of the hot job as it is processing through the different phases of part production. Every step of the way, as the operator tracks time or enters the quantity completed, the manager is kept up to date on the job's progress. The second operation for this job is bending. The press brake operator receives the scheduled hot job through the Measure app and immediately responds by starting setup. While the bend operator sets up the hot job, the shop manager notices from the Analyze app that the bending operation is behind schedule and rushes to the bending work center. The shop manager tells the operator to reverse the punch, which solves the problem. The setup can now be completed. The bend operator processes the parts, completes the job, and enters quantity produced, finishing the bending operation. The next operation for this order is welding. The operator selects the hot job instead of the next scheduled work order, entering the reason for the scheduled deviation. He then sets up the welding jig, clamps in the part, and runs the hot job. When a customer calls to inquire about the status of the hot job, the sales clerk quickly checks production status on the Manage interface and informs the customer who is satisfied to hear that it is in the welding center and is on track to be delivered on time as promised. Back to the welding center. The operator makes entries into the Influent Measure app and begins welding the hot job. The welding operator completes the work and enters the completed quantity. The final step is shipping. When the staff uses the Measure app to close the hot job by packaging and shipping, the front office staff and the floor manager are all able to see that the hot job has been completed. Management can check on the health of their operations by using Influent's extensive analytic library. On-time delivery provides a visible trend of missing delivery deadlines, along with quick insights of how often you're late and by how much. Actual versus estimate allows you to evaluate the accuracy of your quotation process. This can be viewed by operation type, work center, or operator, helping you identify where you're missing the mark. Low utilization allows you to identify underperforming work centers that do not meet the green light time goal you've set, allowing you to maximize capacity. Schedule deviation identifies patterns for work centers and employees that have deviated from your planned schedule. Influent by Amada empowers businesses to achieve greater efficiency, profitability, and revenue opportunities. Built from the ground up, leveraging cutting-edge technology, designed for scalability and extensibility. Influent is ready to grow with your business. The enterprise-class Influent solution empowers you to lead your shop's digital transformation. Influent by Amada delivers accurate and verifiable data collection coupled with valuable real-time analytics for continuous improvement.